You need to make sure that you clean all the pipettes out. To do that, they'll have a beaker of water, squeeze the bowl, and then dispose of it in the sink. It's very difficult to get it out, so you might have to squeeze it a few times, depress the bulb, press the bulb before you put it in there, and then squeeze it out until it's clean. You also want to make sure that you get all of the water out of this, otherwise it's going to dilute the colored water and give you incorrect volume. And to clean out the graduated cylinder, you can rinse it in the sink. And you can take a paper towel, twist it, and then carefully feed it in. You don't want less is more. If it's too thick, then it's difficult to put into the graduated cylinder. And you just kind of twist it. You get to the bottom. And twist it in the opposite direction. And then you can put it on the test tube rack if they have a place for it. All the test tubes will be rinsed out with the test tube brush. So you'll rinse them and then dry them upside down. If the rack doesn't fit, if the wooden racks don't fit, you put it on a plastic rack